The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, DHT11 sensor, capacity soil moisture sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable.
Now log into the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Here enter the username and password and click the sign in button. Now from the left side menu go to Things. Here click the plus thing button. Now here we can rename the thing to Environment Monitoring System. And click on the rename button. Now we need to add 3 variables. The first one is temperature. Click the add button. Enter the variable name as temperature. And select the variable type as floating point number. And click on the add variable button. Now click add button again and add the second variable, which is humidity. Here also the variable type is float. Select floating point number and click the add variable button. And now the third variable, which is soil moisture. Click add button again and enter the variable name as soil moisture. So this variable type is integer. Select integer number, click the add variable button. Now we need to select the device. So click the select device button under associated device. Here we are using ESP32 board. So then click setup new device. Click third party device. Select ESP32 and the model is ESP32 DEV module. Search for that. Select the model, click continue. Here we can give any device name. Click next. Here copy the secret key. Then click the checkbox. Now click continue and then click done. Now we need to configure the network. Click the configure button under network. Here enter the Wi-Fi username and password and paste the secret key which we copied. Click the save button. Now go to Sketch. Here the basic template is generated. Now we need to add the program. So I have already wrote the program. I am just copy pasting the code. Let me explain how to calibrate your capacity soil sensor. In the program you can see a dry value and a wet value. So this value will be different for your sensor. So you need to calibrate your sensor. I have placed a file name called calibration.ino and the path is given in the video description. You can refer that. So this is the program. After you are done with the connection, you need to upload this program to your ESP32 board. Once you are done, so just keep the capacity soil sensor in the dry soil or keep it in air. So you will get one value in the serial monitor. So that value will be your dry sensor value. You need to place here. Then you need to place the capacity soil sensor in the wet soil and you will get another value. That value you need to copy here. Then you need to upload this program so that you will get the exact output. Now connect your ESP32 board to your laptop. Click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. Now we can set up the dashboard. Go to this main menu. Here click dashboards. And then click the plus dashboard button. Now we can rename the dashboard name to Environment Monitoring System. Now click the rename button. Then click the edit button from the top right. Here click add. We need to add 3 gauges. The first one is for temperature. Rename the gauge name to temperature. Then click the link variable button. Here select our thing name environment monitoring system and select the temperature variable and click the link variable button, and the maximum value is 100. Click done. Now click the add button again. Now add the second gauge, which is for humidity. Enter the name as humidity. Click the link variable button. Link with the humidity variable. Click link variable. Click done. Now the final one. Click add again. Select the gauge. So this is for soil moisture. Click the link variable button. Select the thing. Select the soil moisture variable. Click link variable button, and here enter the maximum value as 500. Click done. Here also then click done. Now the setup is completed. Now we can check the output. We can also check the output through the mobile application. For that, download the IoT remote application from the Play Store. Once you open the application, you can see the dashboard which we created in the Arduino IoT Cloud website. Now click on the dashboard. So from here we can check the output in mobile.